Standard 7, Subject English, Lesson 1.2, Odd Word In. So, here we are going to see about the story of Rima and Malti. Rima is from a city and Malti is from village. So, how Malti is accepted by this city people, that is Rima and her friends, and Rima is offended by all her friends, and in the end she is not ready to accept her mistake. So in this way, odd person, that is Malti, who is totally from village area and undeveloped state, she is accepted by the city people. That's why the name of the lesson is Odd One In. So now I'm going to read the lesson, Odd One In. How was the first day of school? Asked mother as Rima sat down for dinner. Okay, Rima shrugged. No lessons, just settling in. So Rima was not satisfied in the school as there was no first day of the school, and no studies was there. So she said just settling in means just started. Any new girls in your class? Inquired her father, Mr. Sen. Only one, Malti, and she is funny, grimaced Rima as she helped herself to the salad. So Rima was not satisfied with Malti. She has some personal problem with Malti. So that's why she said that she is funny because she is coming from village, and she does not speak proper English also. So Malti was not happy with, Rima was not happy with Malti. Why do you say that? Asked Mr. Sain. She can't speak much English. She has come from another state, sniffed Rima, naming one at the other end of the country. Sniff means just making a deep breath and speaking. So Rima was not happy with Malti. So she said she cannot speak English, and she has come from some underdeveloped state. Oh, children from that state are supposed to be clever. They are specially good in maths, said Mr. Sen quietly. So, Mr. Sen was knowing about the state, so he said that the people coming from those states are good in maths. Well, this does not seem smart at all. Oily hair, bindi, and all. Good morning, teacher, mimicked Rima. So, this way, Malti speaks English. So, she just mocked at Malti and said these words, Good morning, teacher. Her parents exchanged glances. Rima was their only child. They doted on her, but she could be insufferable at times. So her parents were unhappy with her behavior because she was sometimes difficult to tolerate. So her parents were worried about her. I do hope you and your friends will not make things too difficult for Malti. So her parents, that is Mr. Sen, he was worried. So he knew how Rima is. So he said that I hope that she does not make troubles to Malti. Rima and her gang had decided to do just that. But Rima and her friends had just decided to make fun of her and make all things difficult for Malti. Next morning, the minute Malti entered the class, they all chorused good morning. So they just made a remark on Malti as she entered the class. The way she speaks, they just mocked at her. They just mimicked at Malti and said good morning. That is the way how she speaks English. Poor Malti, she did not realize that they were making fun of her. She beamed back at them and replied good morning. So see now Malti also answered in the same English accent, that is good morning, because she doesn't know the correct English. So she just beamed back means she just smiled happily and answered to them. She was not knowing that they are making fun of her. Shehnaz giggled. Why do you put so much oil on your hair? She asked rudely. Now the other friend of Rima, she just giggled means just laughed at her and said, Why do you put so much oil on your hair? Malti looked offended but did not reply. And the skirt so long, said Claire catily. Now catily means also rude behavior. She also mocked at her and said that your skirt is also so long. Malti flushed. Now Malti got little angry, so she just controlled herself. She was about to say something when teacher entered. Now Malti was going to retort, give them back answer, but she could not as the teacher entered the class. As the class progressed, everyone was surprised to see Malti raise her hand whenever teacher asked a question. So Malti was a studious and sincere student. So she always answered to the teacher. Yes, Malti, you answer, said teacher. Malti answered correctly and teacher nodded in appreciation. So Malti was full of praise with the teacher. When Rima recounted this at home, her mother said, sounds like a clever girl. Now, whatever happens in the school, Rima always tells to her parents. So she told that Malti was very good in studies and she always replies to the teacher. So mother says, sounds like a clever girl. What is the use? Said Rima uncharitably. Her English is so atrocious. Now, Rima is very rude in her behavior and little she has some attitude over Malti. So she said, what is the use if she gives correct answer? But she cannot speak English like Rima. Her English is very poor. The same may be said of your Hindi, countered Mr. Sen sharply. So Mr. Sen got angry on Rima, and so he retorted, he countered at her that you also cannot speak Hindi properly. So why are you saying like this? He was getting quite sick of Rima's attitude. Even Mrs. Sen did not like it. That night, Rima's parents discussed the matter. We put Rima into a good school to make her smart and confident. I am afraid she is turning into quite a little snob, said Mr. Sain sadly. So Mr. and Mrs. Sain were little sad about the Rima's attitude and behavior. They were thinking that as she is put in a good school, she will be smart and confident. But day by day, she was becoming a spoiled child. The following Saturday was the inter-house singing competition. Rima, who was participating in the English song category, was surprised to see Malti's name in the list of participants for the Hindi song category. Oli played sing also, she said snidely to Claire. So Rima is little always having edge over Malti. She is little proud of over Malti. So she said that oily plates sing also, and she said snidely. Snidely means giving rude remarks. Croaks, you mean, giggled Claire. Now, Claire also supported Rima, and she says that her voice sounds like the voice of a frog. So, croak means sound made by a frog. So, they are just making fun of Malti, that her voice is like a voice of a frog, and that she can sing also. They were proved to be wrong. Malti sang beautifully. She had a melodious and well-trained voice. Rima and her gang had decided to jeer when Malti sang, but there was such absolute silence they did not dare to. They were sure to get caught. When Malti finished, the principal was the first one to start clapping, followed by the teacher and the students. So the plan made by Rima and her gang failed because Malti sang very beautifully and everyone were full of praise to Malti. No one was surprised when Malti won the first prize. Rima did come first in her category somehow. She felt no joy. Now, Malti also won the first prize, and Rima also won the first prize in the singing competition. But Rima was not happy because Malti also was at her level. That is, Malti and Rima were at both competing each other. As the term progressed, it was abundantly clear to all that Malti was a bright child. She was quite studious and intelligent. She fared well in sports as well as in studies. Her forte was mathematics. Her forte means her favorite subject. She always scored very good marks in mathematics. Her simple appearance belied a sharp and nimble brain. That is her simple. Because of her simple appearance, nobody could believe that she will be good in maths also. Slowly, many of the girls began seeking her help in mathematics, help which she readily and cheerfully gave. So, Malti did not show attitude like Rima. She cheerfully and readily helped all the girls in math subjects. The teachers had liked the respectful, intelligent girl from the beginning. Now, girls from the class also befriended her. So, slowly, Malti was making friends with all the girls. Now, Malti became popular in the class. Not Rima and her clique, though. Now, Rima and her friends are not ready to accept Malti. They stubbornly dislike Malti. They were a stylish lot, and nothing that Malti did could alter the fact that she was not their type. They never lost a chance to poke fun at her, particularly her English. So Rima and her friends were stubborn, that is very firm, very showing too much attitude, and they were of a high standard and stylish, so they are not ready to accept Malti. Whatever progress Malti did, they always ignore her and they always made fun of her. Malti felt bad about their behavior. One day she was on the verge of tears when Rima mocked at her mercilessly because she said ask instead of ask. So instead of saying ask, what Malti said ask. So this made Rima mocked at her. She mocked at her means she laughed at her mercilessly because instead of saying ask, Malti said ask. Her voice was trembling. Malti said, I know my English is weak. Yours is good. Please, will you help me to improve it? So now Malti accepts her mistake that she is not good in English. So she asks Rima that can you help me to speak English to improve my English? I won't be able to help you, my dear, replied Rima with an exaggerated accent. Now, Malti was very proud of herself. So, how she answered that I won't be able to help you. Speaking proper English isn't easy for you countrified types. So, she said, you are coming from a underdeveloped states, that is the very remote area of the country, and it is very difficult for you people to learn English. It is not easy for you to learn English. Malti's face turned red. She wanted to retort, but could not find the right words. She burst into tears and ran off. So Malti was very angry and she wanted to give a back answer to her, but she could not find the right word because in one way Rima was right that she is coming from a remote state and her English was not pure. That was her right, Rima, said Shehnaz. Now her friends also got angry with Rima and they answered to her that you are behaving very rudely. Yes, agreed Neha and Claire roundly. So all her friends, Rima's friends now are against Rima because she behaved very rudely and unfair behavior. Rima was shocked. Her own friends had turned against her. She walked off in a huff. Now Rima could not believe herself that her friends also was not supporting her. They are also angry with her. So she just walked off in a huff. Mrs. Sen found her subdued over lunch but decided not to ask anything. Rima knew that she had behaved very badly and she was too proud to admit it even to herself. So now Mrs. Sen found her subdued means found her sad over the lunch, but she did not ask anything. And Rima knew that she had behaved very rudely with Malti, but she is not ready to accept. She is not ready to ask Malti to forgive her. So this is what Rima is, who is very having a very high attitude over Malti. So in this way, Malti was accepted by everyone, and Rima was put against by all her friends. So this is the lesson odd one in for standard 7 subject English 1 point lesson number 1.2 odd one in. Thank you for watching.